Doesn't sound any different though.
Pretty smart ass.
Sounds like there's another motor running. I hear that.
Oh yeah. Go up and come down on some kind of crazy spin.
You think it is? The motor's running faster. Shit, what way's up?
Well, you're coming down. Well, what up is pull the lever back.
Really?
Yeah, now you know which way's up.
I couldn't tell if it was upside down or not.
Oh.
That's weird if you don't hear that sound down here.
It sounds
Oh,
like
go get the
there's
bird! Get the bird!
Sounds like
Oh,
there's another
yeah!
motor. Whoa. Sounds like there's another motor running, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It did that before with the other motor.
Maybe it's the way the wind goes over the body of it or something.
Oh, I wonder if it's one of those stick-on decals that's peeling loose and
Oh,
chattering. Yeah.
go up and see if you can do a flat spin,
Especially
Jeff.
since it's going faster. It wouldn't hardly do anything. I was up there
Oh.
trying to do stuff. And
Do you have a rudder on it?
nope.
Looks like a lawn dart when it gets real high.
Yeah, stop.
Yep, just started again. I bet there's a
Did you kill
decal
the
loose.
motor? Come down again, start the motor. Come see if it stops.
That sounds
The
weird.
motor's turned off. It sounds like it's still running, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I had the throttle all the way off.
Huh.
Air must have just been pushing it.
When it stopped, last time you came down, it stopped for a brief moment.
Throttle is clear off. Totally. Still off. On now.
I don't trust you now. You broke my confidence. You know what it sounded
I
like?
think there's a decal loose.
No, it sounded like the props vibrating.
Could be.
That's what it
But
sounded
it
like.
was still making that sound coming down, wasn't it?
Well,
With
because
the
it's
no motor?
spinning. Because it's spinning still.
I don't think it was spinning near as fast, though. There, that's interesting. The prop didn't start making a noise until it was almost down here. And the throttle was still off.
Whoa! Whoops! I got it. Another crash.
Wasn't enough up elevator. I was pulling full up elevator.
Well, it didn't hurt nothing now. That's a piece of paper. Oh,
Did
you
it hurt your feelings?
no, you broke it. You broke it in half. You broke it. Right here.
Oh, that ain't right.
Another break. See that break? We're here.